How to order on ChowNow. For this, if you have an application, go ahead and open it. If not, install from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, once you have installed your ChowNow application, first and foremost, you have to log in using your Facebook, Google, or even create an account manually. After you log in, you will land in this web page or this interface. Go ahead and search for the food item that you're looking for by tapping on the search icon. If not, in the home section, you will find a restaurant offers food items for purchase. You can select from here as well. At the top, you will see the option of coupons for you, which you can access by just tapping on it. Now, once you are done with ordering your food, tap on the Orders tab at the bottom of the screen. You will find all of your orders right here in this list option. You can remove an order if you want to, or you can even add an order. Once you are done with it, tap on the Checkout tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, once you check out, you will have to include your delivery address, and for payment, select a payment method that you prefer. ChowNow also have My Wallet feature, which you can load by simply tapping on the profile icon at the bottom, then tapping on My Wallet. You can load some amount in this wallet and you can easily pay for your orders using your My Wallet in ChowNow. Isn't it a cool feature? So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.